Let us now discuss about some terms related to light reflection by a mirror. Here we can see if we are having a mirror which is a piece of glass and it is polished on one of its surface. So its front face will be reflecting, on which say when a light ray is incident, which we call as incident ray, and the point where the incident ray falls, so we name it as point O, which is called point of incidence. And at the point of incidence, if we draw a line which is perpendicular to the mirror, this is termed as a normal N. And from this normal, at the point of incidence, the light ray is reflected in some other direction which is called RR or reflected ray. Here we define some standard terms related to this kind of reflection of a light ray from the mirror. Like the very first point we'll define is incident ray, which is termed as IR. Incident ray, directly we can write the light ray which falls on mirror. Any ray which falls on a mirror is called an incident ray because it is an incident on the mirror. And the next point here we can define as point of incidence, which we are denoting here by O, for which we can write it is the point on mirror where incident ray falls on it. Third point here we can define as a reflected ray, which we are denoting here by RR, for which we can write it is the ray which is reflected from mirror. Here we can see this RR is the reflected ray which is reflected from mirror. And another point here we can define as normal to mirror or only normal, which we are denoting here by N. For this normal we can write it is the line. Here you can see this is the dotted line which I have drawn, which is drawn at O, that is point of incidence, which is perpendicular to mirror. And another important thing which I have not denoted till now here is angle of incidence, which is written as angle I. Here the angle I is the angle between the incident ray and the normal at the point of incidence, so we can directly write it as angle between incident ray and normal at point O. So the angle between incident ray and the normal to the mirror is defined as angle of incidence, which is denoted by angle I. And another similar term is angle of reflection, which is denoted as angle R. This is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. This is denoted as angle R. So it can be written as angle between reflected ray and normal. So this is the way how some standard terms are defined related to reflection of light by a mirror. These terms we are going to use in coming section when we will analyze the light reflection by a mirror.